The International Baccalaureate offers different programs for different age groups. So what are the PYP and MYP? Let's take a look. First, let's look at the Primary Years Program, or PYP. This program is for students from age 3 up to 12, roughly from pre-K to grade 6. The PYP is all about inquiry-based learning. This means that children learn best when they're asking questions and exploring the world around them. So instead of just memorizing facts, PYP students learn by doing, by questioning, and by sharing their learning with others. Teaching is transdisciplinary, which means that subjects like math, science, and language are connected through big themes like who we are or how the world works. For example, a unit about animals might include learning about animal habitats in science, writing a story about an animal for language, and creating a sculpture of an animal for art class. This helps students see the connections between different subjects and encourages them to be creative and think outside the box. Learning is also concept-driven, which means that students are encouraged to think about big ideas and how they apply to the world around them. They're not just learning for the sake of learning, but to be able to use that knowledge to make a difference in the world. PYP students are encouraged to be collaborative and work together to solve problems. They're also taught to be action-oriented and take action to make positive changes in their communities. Now let's look at the Middle Years Program, or MYP. This program is for students from age 11 to 16, roughly from grade 6 to grade 10. The MYP builds on the PYP and prepares students for the IB Diploma program, which they can start in grade 11. MYP is all about helping students make connections between different subjects and encouraging them to think critically and creatively. Teaching is interdisciplinary, which means that teachers from different subjects work together to plan units that connect different areas of study. For example, a unit about climate change might include studying the science behind it in science class, writing about it in language class, and creating a campaign to raise awareness in social studies class. This helps students see the connections between different subjects and encourages them to think critically about complex issues. MYP students develop essential skills like research, communication, and self-management, which are called approaches to learning skills. These skills help students become independent learners who can take ownership of their learning and manage themselves. In the final year of the MYP, students complete a personal project. This is a chance for students to explore a topic they're passionate about and to show off their independence, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Projects can be creative or academic and are often presented to an audience. Both PYP and MYP are designed to help students become curious, reflective, and internationally minded learners who are ready for the IB diploma and for life beyond school. So what do you think of the PYP and MYP? If you're a student, which grade are you in? And if you're a teacher, what's your favorite thing about the IB? Let us know in the comments below.